My name's Neil, I'm from St David's in Wales. I flew over from Cardiff Airport. Pearl Clinic picked us up from the airport and took us to the Lara Hotel. Hotel's great, didn't arrive till 10 o'clock that evening, then came in for my first appointment on the Tuesday morning. We had a pretty long day and there's a bit of extra work that needed to be done to get me ready. We didn't have, there wasn't any real pain, so we had full sort of local anaesthetic and stuff, and then had painkillers after. Then came back for like 3 more times just to get the fit in, and yeah, really happy with the results. You know, smiling. Ding.